Oh man, is it ever hot today.
And I have to go driving today in this sweltering hot weather.
I could use the air conditioning to help keep myself cool, but it doesn't work very well, and of course it's quite costly to run. Especially with today's outrageously high petrol prices.
So, what do? Well, I got myself an old plastic sign here, cut it in half. You can see I used to live in Ottawa. Take the two pieces like so. I hold those pieces of plastic up against the window frame and mirror like so.
Well, there it is, folks. Ram air cooling, and it works real good.